What is up, guys? Today we're bringing y'all a new vlog. Today we're going to head out to the Battle of the Alamo truck show. It is, I believe, the first year that they ever bring a truck show to San Antonio, Texas. Right here we're going to be taking my brother's Tahoe, and right now we're going to meet up with the homie and we're going to head that way, so make sure to stay tuned for that.
Rojo es el color que piso cuando camino. Hizo space en las rocas y un pase va seguido. Allá en San Bernardino me la paso.
Alright guys, so we already met up with the homie. He's right here behind us. He does have a truck, but he didn't bring it this time. So we're gonna head out to the show already. It is a little like 45-minute drive from where we're located. So stay tuned, guys. We'll be there in a little bit. Alright guys, so we're finally here. Right now we're about to get this video started. We're about to register to put the Tahoe in.
Welcome to the Battle of the Alamo 2020, baby.
This is my blues, 'cause I'm back down on my own again. This is the blues I'm playing. Yes, it's a fine old thing when the night is cold and lonely.
This is a dollar bill.
Was it the money that made me a savage? Popping them prices and I made it a habit. Talking them pictures and serving them addicts. That was exciting to me. I'm so excited to be. Started with nothing, we had to inspire the beat. Niggas they fly to me. I'm getting to it, feel like the man. I got the plan. I call the shooters, they out with the van. Play with the squad, get pop like a sand. Pop like a perk. I'm going ham. I'm going crazy on niggas. Too waving for niggas. Do magic like I look a sand. I'm in the kitchen, compressing the bird. Take out the 9 and I sell it for 30. Then straight to the jeweler. I'm busting the rollie, the light of the city like me GL3. I got the plug, he sending my tea. Don't know these niggas know me. Even though niggas, they call me OG. Young nigga, but I put it down. We was on it when it wasn't around. All of a sudden, niggas wanna come around. Stay over there, my J. Do me one favor. Take a few steps back
down on my own again.
and look at yourself. Matter of fact, take yourself outside your body and then look at yourself and see how you playing yourself, nigga.
This is the blues I'm playing.
Congratulations. It's the motherfucking chase.
Yes, it's a fine
old
thing when the
We
night
on
is
it.
cold and lonely.
Yeah, you the plug. Try to be real with some niggas and put on my money and show us some love. You did me a favor, I knew you was shicey, I knew you would show you was. It's only a matter of time for niggas to line and hit with the slugs. You found in the pool of your blood. Yeah, nigga. Remember they told me that we'll fail. Remember they told me to see yourself. Yeah, what that to me like Cam Newton. I'm in the field like the NFL. Niggas is sick and I wish them well. I made a wish and I wish them well. I put a brick in a wish them well. Been through some shit and I'm sick of jail. No disease, but I'm sick of cells. Sick of tired of sending niggas mad. Get the hell.
'Cause I'm back down on my own again. This is the blues I'm playing. This is the midnight blue.
Swinging
swing on, swing on, swing on. I can write a book on how to work the wheel. Candy watermelon with the bumper grill. It's flooding outside and I'm the wettest still. Windows rolled up, cold cup, and some kill. Let me explain the way it feel to ride on 84s. A different level of respect amongst your peers and foes. Another victim of the streets if you ain't on your toes. My two chromes might clip, you better watch my toes. Rain coming down while I'm coming down. Heads turn around when them swingers turn around. Shout out to my OG slab riders. Big mix, sport, black body, all my partners. Swing around the puddle, drink muddy as a puddle. Softer than a poodle, leather perforated butter. This for all the hustlers out there getting it in the rain. Time to turn the music up and go swing. Swinging in the rain. Swing on, swinging in the rain. Drops on my window, elbows poking out past the fender. Turn sharper than the number 2 pencil. The way I avoid hitting curbs is monumental. Slow pace, drinking on my last days. Riding one deep, cause my ace caught a case. Something on my mind, so I'm turning up the bass. In my zone, I'm swinging with finesse and grace. Forecast muddy, atmosphere cloudy. Pouring up while the rain pouring down around me. Shout out to my boy Big D up in the county. Pop trunk on the cop, Fourth Ward where they found him. Raindrops on my panoramic roof. Check the red light cameras if you want the proof. Candy apple over silver on swing in the turning lane. Turning heads every time I swing in the rain.
What is up, guys? Overall, it was a very good turnout. The show was badass, no lie. There was more people than I expected, to be honest. I thought that there would be less or not that many people that would come out from out of town. But it was a dope show, guys. Hopefully this is a year-to-year thing, so next year we could probably bring out all of our trucks that we have, our projects. And if you're new to the GM Lowlife, guys, consider subscribing. And I wanted to give a big thanks to everybody. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.